आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
So in this question, in the circle above with diameter D, okay, so RS is total, in total is, this is D, okay, and the chords PQ and TU we have here are parallel to diameter RS. So these two chords are parallel to RS. If PQ and TU are each 3/4 the length of RS, so PQ equals to TU equals to 3/4 D, okay, because diameter D is RS. Distance between the chords PQ and TU in terms of D. Now these two chords are equal, so equal chords are equidistant from the center, okay. So if this is a center, then the distance if from RS to PQ is x, or the center from the center to PQ if it is x, then from the center to the TU it will also be x, correct. And then if we draw a perpendicular, now this is a perpendicular, distance means we are dropping simply a perpendicular from the center on the chord PQ, okay. So when we are dropping a perpendicular, this perpendicular bisects the chord, okay. So if PQ is 3/4 D, then say it is bisecting it at O, so PO will be half of 3/4 D, which is 3/8 times D, right. And so now we have triangle in consideration as PO, so the center is N, right. So in triangle PON, we are going to join PN, so that simply gives us the radius. Now if the diameter is D, radius will be D/2, correct. So in triangle PON, applying the Pythagoras theorem. Now what is the Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square, so D square by 4, hypotenuse is the side opposite to the 90 degree, is equal to the sum of the square of the other two sides. Other two sides are x and 3D/8. So x square plus 3D/8 whole square will be 9D square by 64. So from here we can find out x. So x square is D square by 4 minus 9D square by 64, okay. So that gives you an answer of 7D square by 64. It's easy, you just need to calculate it in terms of the fraction that is given to you and you will find the answer. Next what we are going to do is x is equal to D√7 by 64, correct. So this is the value of x that has been found out. Now you have to find out the distance between the two chords and not the distance between the chord and the center, okay. So if you need to do that, simply we will add up x and x, okay. Just like I said, equal chords will be equidistant. So if the distance between the center and one chord is x, then the distance between the center and the other chord will also be x, and the distance between the two chords will be 2x, okay. So 2x is equal to, sorry, this is D√7 by not 64, D√7 by 8, because we are doing the square root of 7D square by 64, and square root of 64 is 8, okay. So D√7 by 8. So 2x will be 2 into D√7 by 8, which is D√7 by 4, okay. So the answer to this particular question is D√7 by 4, which is option B.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।